In this video, I'm going to do a live example on how to launch a meme coin on the Solana blockchain using a viral narrative, how to get attention on your coin, how to cash out. I will be doing it all with a live example. This video is made specifically for the people who are tired of losing hundreds of thousands of dollars in the trenches from trading meme coins, and they need a strategy that is actually profitable, also called deving. Deving is a new meta in 2026. You guys will see why. Thousands of traders every single day lose millions of dollars all because they buy coins just to get completely dumped on right after. And that's because the devs are taking advantage of the traders. The devs are making way more money than the traders, and that's a fact. Because when they launch a coin, bro, they have nothing to lose. All they're doing is launching, dumping, and repeating that method over and over again. And that's exactly why deving meme coins is way easier to make money than trading, because you have nothing to lose. It costs nothing to launch a coin, so you can launch unlimited coins and lose nothing. But trading though, you could lose your entire port after 2 to 3 trades, or if you full port once, you could lose it all in 1 second. So that's exactly why you have to keep watching, okay? I will teach you how to dev with my $1,000 strategy all in this video. And I'm going to show you exactly how to go from launch to getting eyeballs and do the marketing for your coin, and then how to cash out right after, all in this video, bro. I am not selling a course. This video is the course. And by the way, bro, I am not a financial advisor. Everything said in this video is for educational purposes only, so please don't copy me, bro. I do not condone anything. Cap. Now, where do you launch your meme coins? Now, bro, do not launch meme coins on Pump.Fun because it's oversaturated, and getting a token viral on Pump.Fun is going to take too much luck. You are just wasting your time, okay? That's exactly why you have to be launching coins on the Raydium DEX. Here is where all the volume is, and most devs do not even know that you can launch directly to Raydium using Create Meme.io. It's the best launchpad because every single coin goes to Raydium immediately. It migrates and it reaches thousands of people. And the thing with Raydium is that, bro, there's more credibility. People trust your coin more because there's less coins, and most people just buy Raydium coins because it's way safer than Pump.Fun coins. Now, if you were to get your coin on the migrate section using Pump.Fun, that will require a $60,000 market cap for it to migrate, which is like fucking impossible, okay? In today's economy, you will not get your coin to migrate. That's why you have to be using Create Meme.io. It will migrate it directly to Raydium. Now, to make a coin here, bro, you could either create one from scratch or you can copy a coin. In this video, bro, I will be copying a coin to show you guys exactly how it works. Why? Because this is my favorite strategy. All these coins are going viral, they all have a good narrative, and they're all gaining a bunch of attention on Pump.Fun right now as we speak. So the method here is to recopy a coin right here, right, back to Raydium, and then you have a good narrative to convert people into your coin, and that will lead to more profits, more attention, and just more credibility. So we are going to copy a coin, and I will show you how it's done. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom White is connected, then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna copy the, which one? Maxing coin, why not? Click copy to Raydium, wait for your Phantom White to show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, and then click on confirm, and then the coin will be vamped, also known as copied, right? Just wait. And then boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we create the liquidity pool. It's the backbone of your coin. You will control all the coins. Now for the amount of maxing coins, click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens. For the amount of sort of pair, this is where you put how much supply that you want. I would highly recommend to exchange 0.3 of your soul for some supply. Like that, you can profit on your coin. Now you are not going to lose that money. If you want this on the back, you can just simply dump the coin whenever you want, and you will get back the 0.3 soul. You are not spending it on nothing. So click on create pool, wait for your Phantom White to show up, and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, then confirm. After that, bro, when that is done, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, the maxing coin is live. Your piano is going to show up right there. And whenever you want, bro, click on refresh or the whole page to see how much you're up. And as you guys can see, now we're up $100. That is actually fucking insane. It has been like 20 seconds max. Now click on view on Photon or Axiom to see your coin, okay, your graphic. Let me go on full screen. The coin should be live like literally any second now. And as you guys can see, okay, people are now buying our coin. It's going up and down. A bunch of volume is kicking in. Now, bro, remember, more and more people are going to start seeing the coin one after the other on the migrate section. Just give it a couple seconds. It's going to explode. A bunch of volume is going to come in your coin. Now the worst that could happen is that you only make a couple bucks or you break even and then you just restart a new launch. But this one is looking good. We're already up like $200. If I had to guess, 1.4k market cap. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to go up, bro. I'm gonna do a quick time lapse, right? And when I come back, I will show you how to cash out your supply and your profits, and I will even show proof. So let's see if it does good. Alright guys, I am back. Let's cash out our profits. Come back to create meme.io and then click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now. And as you guys can see here, bro, bang, we're up 2.5k on this coin. Click on the minus button, do 100% to remove all the whole 2.5k. Click on remove liquidity, wait for your phantom wire to show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to dev coins. And look, if I open my Phantom wallet, bro, yes, I did receive the payout. Okay, it's all legit. Now it's up to you to use this information to your advantage. Create meme.io will be linked everywhere, or go on Google. It's up to you. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm not fucking capping, bro. And yeah, bro, it's all for educational purposes only.